This is a quick tutorial on how to make a starting chain for your crochet projects. First thing we'll need is the end of our yarn here. We're going to tie a slip knot in this end of the yarn. I have a previous video explaining how to tie a slip knot. If you'd like a more in-depth version of that process, feel free to head back and watch that video. Once we have that slip knot, we're going to tighten it down against our hook. Get our hand set. We're going to begin chaining stitches. In order to chain a stitch, you're going to yarn over, bringing your hook in front of, behind to hook that working yarn, and pulling it through that loop. That is chaining one stitch in order to chain another. I'll do the same, yarning over, bringing that hook under and behind that working yarn, and pulling through. Nice little tip here as you make your chain longer is to hold it near that stitch that you're pulling it through. Gives you a little bit more control over the tension to make nice, consistent loops. So once again, you're going to yarn over, bringing that hook under and around that working yarn, and pulling through, leaving that loop on the yarn for the next stitch that you add to your chain. And that is how you make a starting chain for your crochet projects.